Today is April 24, 3:13 p.m. We detected unusual options on General Electric GE. This is the last hour to actually trade earnings for General Electric, and these options that were quite unusual seem to be earnings trades. You'll see here, this is the earnings, April 25, before market, tomorrow morning. You'll also notice that it is overbought on the RSI indicator, and we have hit the $100 psychological level, made a high on this. So will we continue to go up, or will we drop back down after earnings? That is the question, and these unusual options could be an indication. However, they could also be a hedge. So you'll see here, this 1,000 contracts, this vertical put spread here, expiring this week, April 28, for the 98 strike puts and the 92 strike puts. And what are these? Well, we'll take a look right here. These are expiring in 4 days, right? The closest expiration for earnings. So this looks like something for earnings. It is right here at the 32 delta and the 7 delta. The volume is greater than the open interest you'll see here, 1,000 on the 92 strikes and 1,126 greater than the 279 also for the 98 strikes. So they bought the 98 and sold the 92, which is what we also did. It's currently going for $95. And you'll see here that if GE, which is at $100 now, if the price drops down, it will be profitable because this is now above this zero line. Profit loss is here on the y-axis, so anything above this zero line is profitable. So there is, it's a very bearish bet towards the downside for GE after earnings, and we'll see if this actually plays out, because it could also be a hedge. So keep that in mind. Somebody could actually have, for example, they could have 100 shares of GE, and this is just a hedge for their shares, right? Let's say they had originally got GE for, let's say they had got it for $90, and they bought these this vertical bear put spread as a hedge. Now you'll see here that if this price goes down to, like, say 95, their loss is pretty much capped here. It's not below that zero line. It's minimal losses, and so but if GE goes up, they will be gaining because they have a lots of stock. So keep in mind that this does not necessarily mean these unusual does not necessarily mean that they think GE will go down. They just want to reduce their risk. So that's a possibility too. Yeah, that's our analysis of these unusual options on GE, and whether or not you want to trade it, that's totally up to you. And good luck on it if you do, though. If you haven't subscribed, please do hit that bell icon. You'll be notified whenever we see unusual options. And please like this video. Take care.